Welcome to Regal Nigeria Limited, where we give you information about some agricultural crops. Today we shall talk about crop pest control.
Generally, crop pests may be defined as organisms which compete with man for his crop plants or farm produce by feeding on these crops. By this definition, crop pests include organisms which attack plant products either in the field or in the storage. Maize is widely cultivated in all parts of Nigeria, and it now forms part of the staple food in Nigeria. Grown over 5,000 acres, its cultivation is profitable as it fetches a good market price. However, the main enemy of maize cultivation is the fall armyworm. These insects attack the crop from the seedling stage through the different stages of its maturity, thus causing significant damage to the crop. Besides crop diseases is that of pests. Most organisms depend on crop plants and their products as source of food. There are some that feed on crop plants alone, while others feed on both crop plants and their products. Some organisms need crop plants for protection, while some need them during reproduction. It is very necessary that farmers should be aware of the existence of these organisms and the damage they cause to crop plants, so as to be able to reduce their activities. Besides the physical damage caused to these crop plants and their products, some of the crop pests enhance the spread of crop diseases, while some too inflict injuries on the crop plants, through which disease organisms enter easily. Two categories of pests cause the greatest damage to farm crops. These are the arthropods, animals with exoskeleton, segmented body and jointed legs, such as insects, and the chordates, which are animals with endoskeleton and backbones, such as rodents, rats, squirrels, grasscutter, etc. The control of these two classes of pests will greatly help in enhancing farmers' output.
These are ways in which insect pests, crop attacks, nature of damage, and economic importance by which pests of farm crops can be controlled. Aphids belongs to piercing and sucking insects. They attack plant leaves, sucking their juice. They cause a great damage, especially when a large number is involved. They also attract ants and fungi. Control can be achieved by spraying with soapy water and the use of contact poison. Fall armyworms are caterpillars or larval stage of different types of moth. They attack young seedlings of crop plants, especially maize and other cereal crops. Eat up the tissue of the seedlings or near the ground level, thereby killing them. Control can be achieved by good weeding of the farm area, spraying of insecticides like neem oil and DDT. White flies. They are sucking insects that feed on the leaf and stem juice of cassava, thereby causing serious injuries on the plant. The activities of whiteflies reduce photosynthesis activities. They also transmit disease during the feeding. It transmits cassava mosaic virus. Control can be achieved by spraying insecticides. Grasshoppers. They are biting and chewing insects. Leaves of crop plants are eaten up by grasshoppers. Eaten up also are the tender shoots of crop plants. Eating of the leaf reduces the leaf area, which could have been used for photosynthesis activities, thus reducing production. Control can be achieved by elimination of weeds and bushes near the farmland, planting early, and the use of insecticides like Vectors 85. Cocoa beetle. They are sucking insects that suck the sap of cocoa shoots and cocoa pods, thereby causing a lot of injury to the crop plants. They also cause the drying and splitting of the bark of cocoa trees. They cause the death of the leaves. Control can be achieved by growing young cocoa trees, proper sanitation, adequate spacing, weed control, and the use of recommended and systemic insecticides.